Windows 10 Sandbox allows you to launch an isolated Windows 10 environment in order to perform tests in complete safety. Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am going to show you how to configure Sandbox. But first, you need to enable virtualization from the BIOS. Also, you have to install Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise. Suppose you have turned on virtualization from the BIOS and have Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise installed. So let's do it now. Open the control panel. Click on Uninstall a program. Then click on the Turn Windows Features On or Off. From this pop-up window, find Windows Sandbox, and check on it. Click on OK. Wait during the installation is complete. After completing the installation, restart the computer. After restarting the computer, from the Start menu, search for Windows Sandbox. And click on Windows Sandbox. Wait while the environment is created and loaded. The environment is loaded. It is now possible to run tests without risk for your Windows installation. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Take care.